My name is Sophie Hallstedt and I'm doing research in sustainable product development. Sustainable product development for us means that we integrate and implement a strategic sustainability perspective in the product innovation process. And then we do that from a strategic, tactical and operational perspective. We, for example, develop support tools that you can use to analyze, assess and evaluate and measure sustainability level, and also concrete support tools, for example, to assess material criticality from sustainability and availability perspective, and also to evaluate your production processes. So many different support tools and in many different ways we do research, and I'm also leading the research area Sustainable Product Development. This area is important because there is a change in society and the company needs to adapt to a more sustainable society, and that takes time to do that. So we need to support, find efficient ways to support companies to be more proactive and be able to integrate and implement sustainability in their processes. And in that way we can support them to be efficient and to still be very competitive at the market. This research area, I think, can benefit from many perspectives, both in terms of that we can support the companies to be proactive, and on a longer term base it can actually, it's really important for the companies in order to be competitive, to be able to integrate sustainability in their processes. It's also important because we have a need, and the company, we can see that there is a need to learn more how to deal with these questions, and I think that is an important part of our research area to contribute to that. What drives me to continue to do research is the curiosity I have to actually find answers to these difficult questions for how you do implement and integrate sustainability in an efficient way. It's also important, I think, to collaborate closely with the companies and listen to their challenges that they have, and try to see how the academia and industry can together come up with new knowledge. So work closely with company, I think that's also something that drives me, that we do in our research group. And then also, of course, I think to work in projects with a team, when we work together, that's also very inspiring, I think. The new areas that I think is very challenging and that we have also identified as focus areas in future with my PhD students, for example, is to look into how risk can be implemented with sustainability, or risk and sustainability can be implemented together. How, for example, sustainability can be integrated in product requirement list and in product portfolio. New areas that I also have started to look into is how sustainable product development can be combined with new societal trends like digitalization and servitization, and how sustainable product development can also support a collaboration in the value chain to generate more resource-efficient solutions and also contribute to a more circular thinking in our society.